So hi guys, we're here at the opening of the first ever tribute store of Bo's Coffee here at Capital, and I'm here with...
I'm Carl and I do research and development for Bo's Coffee. I handle mostly the beverages.
So he's behind the new unique drinks of Bo's, right?
Yes, yes.
So what makes the tribute store different?
What makes it different is that it's made from different facets of what we're really doing. No? So as part of the handcrafts that we're partnered with, we're also partnered with social enterprises that's actually working behind everything that we do. So the products that we use, especially the coffee and the teas, comes from certain communities that's fully traceable. So for example, here at the Experience Bar, what we're really doing is we're putting it into life, and what our advocacy is to really introduce those products, not just the items themselves, but the story behind each ingredient.
What can we get here?
Well, you have your choice. We have coffee, we have tea. You want different ways how to make your coffee, you want how your tea is made, you can request it all here. We have like signature drinks that you can only drink here at this specific branch of this specific Experience Bar.
Right now I'm gonna ask him one cold drink that's unique here at the Experience Bar. So,
okay. So I'm going to make you one.
So what is called again?
It's called the Purple Midnight.
So what's the Purple Midnight and what's the coffee? Or is it coffee or tea?
Actually, it's tea. It's made of wild hibiscus flowers and a tea blend coming from Dahilayan, Bukidnon, and it's from down to earth. I'm very excited because their products are really good and it's fully traceable.
With the Purple Midnight, what notes?
It's made from wild hibiscus, so you get that somehow. It's a flower, but you get that fruity notes. To make it more interesting, we mix it up with a certain herbal tea made of oregano for one, and it has a dash of cocoa sugar to make it a little bit sweetened but good for the health.
Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, very refreshing. Yeah, good acidity, and I really like it. So you offer as well teas here at the Experience?
Yeah, we have 3 teas from Dahilayan. Dahilayan is a social enterprise as well. They have farms in Kalami, Laguna. For example, our lemon ginger tea in Pandan comes from Kalami, Laguna. They also have the Armensis mint, which comes from Kalami, and they also have this tea blend called Coco Melange, which is made from coconut, pandan leaves, and roasted rice from Cubao rice terrace.
So mostly locally grown, huh?
Yes, yes, mostly are locally grown, and we also have 2 from down to earth as well, which is their wild hibiscus, and they have this thing called blue chai, which has blue tea flowers and lemongrass combined together.